started?
It started.
The 3 on my left. I'm a slut. This is where I live. I like to wear hats and live with my eyes.
Happy that I don't want anyone to know.
I'm in disguise.
My spine doesn't tan very well. Your spleen is white. I have bony shoulders. I shaved my armpits today. I didn't. I'm Mexican.
I win.
She's my mom. No, she's not. What? I don't know why the fuck these people stare at me all the time, because I'm so awesome. I live in this awesome chapel, pretty much, of a church. What? I'm gonna fucking dance my life away. Just dance. I'm gonna eat Subway today so I don't gain any weight. This is my iceberg house. I killed a leopard for this. Me too. Me too. Throne mode. Throne mode. I'm tired. I'm not. Let's go leaping through the forest.
Rock.
My legs are long.
Who should I kill next?
Oh, fuck it. Where the fuck is my house? Oh, there it is. Look at this meat grinder. I just want to fuck. In that house.
Those aren't even houses. What the fuck are those?
Seaman. Here's my shitty little house that has nipples all over it. Look at the nipples. Why are there so many nipples? Why are there nipples? Just stick a nipple in my vagina. I'm fucking drunk. What a slut. God, being sober is better. I'm sleeping right now. Look how nice my house is. It's not that nice. Oh, what the fuck, I'm hot. Whatever.
Oh,
I'm tired, I slipped.
I slipped.
I slipped a little. Ah! Wait, end it. Ending credits. Zingara. That was a good one.